Hi guys, so in this video we are going to use ArcGIS Pro to project the map window. So we're going to take the data that is in our map window here and project it because it is currently unprojected. Then we are going to buffer a point. So to start out with, let's take a look at what our projection is in our map window. So to do this, we right click on the map name and we select properties. And we can see that it is in assumed geographic. So in other words, it's in unprojected latitude and longitude. So we want it to be in Web Mercator. So we can either type in the EPSG number for Web Mercator auxiliary sphere, which is 3857, and then hit the enter button and that comes up, or we can use the tools down here to navigate to Projected Coordinate Systems World WGS Web Mercator. Either one works. So we click OK. And now we see things change ever so slightly, but this is going to be really important for our buffering. So let's go ahead and make a 50-mile buffer of Foothill College. So to buffer in ArcGIS Pro, I'm going to go to the Analysis menu and select Buffer. My input feature is going to be Foothill College. So we're going to give this a descriptive name. So it is always good practice to give your buffer a name that reflects the buffer distance. So I'm going to give this Foothill College buffer 50 mi. Or in other words, 50 miles. Now, if I were to do this again, it's super common to have to redo things multiple times if you're checking yourself or whatever. I would call it Foothill College buffer 50 mi 2, 50 mi 3, etc. So I'm going to give it a distance here of 50, and my units are miles. And I don't need to worry about dissolving because I only have one point that I'm buffering. So I click on Run. And my buffer is completed successfully, and I can see it down here. And I can double check that in fact my data is projected correctly, because notice my buffer shows up as a perfect circle. Okay, in the next video you're going to look at how to do select by location to select the earthquakes that fall within the buffer zone. Happy trails!